Hey everyone! Welcome to another video. Today, I'm in one of the most famous and photogenic spots in Copenhagen, Nyhavn. This canal is known for its colorful houses, historic boats, and a relaxed vibe. As I walk around, I'll share some history, fun facts, and even a few modern traditions that locals love. So, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's explore this incredible place together. Nyhavn literally means new harbor in Danish, but don't be fooled. It's over 350 years old. It was built in the 17th century, during the reign of King Christian V, as a canal to connect the main harbor to the city center. But back then, Nyhavn was a very different place. It was full of sailors, taverns, and wild parties. It had a bohemian reputation, with bars that never closed. Can you imagine the chaos? Today, those rowdy days have given way to charming restaurants and cozy cafes, but the lively energy of this place is still very much alive. Now, here are 3 fun facts that not everyone knows. Number 1. Hans Christian Andersen, the famous author of fairy tales like The Little Mermaid and The Snow Queen, lived in 3 different houses here in Nyhavn. The most famous is number 20, where he wrote some of his most beloved stories. Number 2. The oldest house on the canal is number 9, built in 1681, and it still retains much of its original structure. Number 3. These boats you see in the canal aren't just for decoration. Many of them are restored historic ships that are part of the National Museum of Denmark. Some are over 100 years old and still fully functional. And here's a fun twist. Even though Nyhavn is a huge tourist attraction, people still live in these colorful houses. Imagine waking up with this view. But Nyhavn isn't just about history. Today, it's one of the busiest and most exciting places in Copenhagen, and locals have some fun traditions here. One of the most popular is gathering by the canal to drink. On sunny days, especially in spring and summer, people buy drinks from nearby shops and sit by the water to relax and socialize. It's a laid-back and very Danish tradition. In winter, Nyhavn transforms into a magical place with a Christmas market. The canal lights up with festive decorations, and you can enjoy gløgg, a warm spiced wine, and traditional Danish treats. And if you love live music, during the summer, you can catch outdoor concerts and festivals right by the canal. It's the perfect place to watch the sunset with some great music in the background. If you're planning to visit Nyhavn, here are a few tips to make the most of your experience. Take a boat tour. Seeing Copenhagen from the water is unforgettable, and many canal tours start right here. Bring your own drink. If you want to live like a local, grab a beer or a bottle of wine from a nearby store and relax by the canal. It's the best way to soak in the atmosphere. Best time to visit. Early morning is perfect if you want to avoid crowds and take photos, but if you want to feel the lively energy, come in the late afternoon on a sunny day. Winter magic. If you visit during the holiday season, don't miss the Christmas market. It's cozy, charming, and full of festive treats. And a quick tip, the restaurants along the canal are beautiful but expensive. If you're on a budget, explore the side streets nearby for more affordable options. So, did you enjoy exploring Nyhavn? This place blends history, tradition, and a modern energy that makes it one of the coolest spots in Copenhagen. If you liked this walk, give the video a thumbs up, comment below with your favorite fun fact. and subscribe to the channel for more adventures like this one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Да, вот реально хочется полежать.
You saw my feet? Yeah, like on the bed.
So you can type in the voice.
Oh ja, okay. Jamen, Peter, han hørte jo, han lige godt i hænderne.